Web3 is everywhere lately. But what is it really? Is Web3 the same as crypto? Or blockchain? Or the metaverse? Or all of them? Let's dive in, so next time your friends start on the topic, you're the one who actually knows the answers. Most of what we use today is considered Web 2, and it's great. Tons of free platforms, endless entertainment, and enough dog memes and cat pics to go around the world twice in a row. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, they all offer a lot, and it's free for everyone. Or is it? Well, as it turns out, Web 2 is mostly free to use, but you're still paying a high price, because as the old saying goes, if something is free, the product is you. That's right. You get to use the service for free, but you pay with your content, your opinions, and your privacy. That's because with Web 2, as well as Web 1, all the content is hosted on centralized, corporate-owned servers. You may record your dog doing a backflip and upload that video to TikTok, but now that video sits on TikTok's servers. ByteDance, TikTok's parent company, now has your data. Similarly, if you upload a picture of your flashy vacation spot to Instagram, Meta, Instagram's parent company, now controls that content. They control who sees it, when, and how often. They can track every dog video you watch, every vacation picture you like, and analyze every comment you make, and then often sell that data to advertisers and, frankly, anyone willing to pay for it. And not only do they make money by using your data and breaching your privacy, but they also wield a ton of power over their users. If TikTok decides they don't like your content, they can block your account in an instant, and there's little you can do about it. Now, if all you do is upload backflip videos of your dog, that might not be a big deal. But if you're one of the millions of content creators out there who make a living on these platforms, that's a big risk. And the issues don't end there. Because corporations control and, for all intents and purposes, own all the data, there's little opportunity for anyone else to participate in someone's success. The corporation always makes money, and the creator often too. But anyone watching and wanting to support a creator is just left out as a pure spectator. That's where Web3 comes in to save the day. The main idea behind Web3 is decentralization, usually with the help of blockchain technology. That means that instead of ByteDance, Meta, or some other billion-dollar company holding all the data, it's now stored on the blockchain with plain visibility and access to anyone. You take away power from the few and hand it over to the many, so to speak. Here's a simple way to explain the evolution. Web 1 was read, Web 2 was read-write. Web 3 is read-write-own. Storing data on blockchains comes with some massive benefits. The first benefit is censorship resistance. Because no company can stop you from uploading or taking down your content, there's no censorship. Anyone is free to create and upload what they want. Another benefit is privacy. With Web3, you don't have to reveal your real identity to contribute content. What you do is plainly visible and can be tracked, yes. After all, it's all recorded on the blockchain. But there's usually no way to link that data to you as a real person and, therefore, no way for anyone to sell it. Then there's the big one, the own part of Web3. And this affects anyone, not only content creators. Yes, correct. With Web3, your content is actually owned by you and not by some corporation. You created the data, you decide what to do with it. It stays yours. That video you uploaded, that's yours forever, and no corporation can take it down. But ownership in Web3 opens an even bigger door. Because creators own their content on the blockchain, it can be tokenized and shared. Imagine, you could purchase shares in your favorite band early on, knowing they'll make it big. A Web3 version of Spotify could offer just that. Or imagine you could read TV show scripts before they were produced and decide which one to invest in. A Web3 version of Netflix could offer that and finance the production of the show with the funds raised by selling coins. In Web3, Airbnb could be owned by travelers. Uber could be owned by drivers. Amazon could be owned by the thousands of small sellers offering their goods on the platform. You get the point. And with ownership comes another huge benefit: democracy. No more distant CEOs making unilateral decisions about the direction of a project or company. It's all up to the holders of the token. All token holders get to vote, and the majority wins. That, by the way, is the basic concept of a decentralized anonymous organization, or DAO, a topic we'll learn more about in a future lesson. Web 2 gave birth to giants like Google, Meta, and Twitter. Web 3 is only just getting started, and the sky's the limit. That's it, Web 3 in a nutshell. Head on to the next lesson, where you'll learn more about the different industries Web 3 is already revolutionizing today.